All, welcome back to our new session. In this session, I am going to explain how to assign a company code to a company. Okay, in our previous session, I have explained you how to create a company with the help of the T code OX15 and how to create a company code. The T code is OX02. So now we are going to assign this company code ABCD to this company ABCD. Okay, for that we need to use a transaction code OX16. Okay, now let's go to our SAP screen, give OX16, click enter, give ABCD company code. See, after searching we can find like ABC Technologies Hyderabad has been assigned to ABCD. Okay, now I have already assigned and I am showing you once again. Give company code ABCDE. See, here you could verify like whether the company is correct or not. So you could click on this and you could click on the save, and this is the transport request number. You need to give short description for remembrance. For beginners it is mandatory to give short description, because if you practice for multiple times then it would be easy for you to know about the transport request, what is meant by transport request, and and it is easy for you to fetch and compare like what you have done. I am giving assigning company code to company. Click on save, click on save. You can see here data was saved. Okay, now let's verify once again. Give /n and one more time give OX16 for assigning company code to company. Click on position. You could give ABCD, your company name, and you could see like ABCD, and ABCD is assigned for ABC Technologies. Okay, you got the point. Now in this video I would like to discuss a very short topic called transport request. Okay, how to see the transport request which we have generated earlier, and what is the T code used to verify the transport request which we have processed earlier. Okay, the T code which we would use for verifying the transport request is SE10. Okay, now I'll show you. Give SE10, hit enter. See, this is my username, and here the request type is like customizing request, workbench request, transport of copies, relocation. It is depend on the consultants like what kind of requests would you like to see, and the request status is like would you like to modify or like would you like to release. Okay, now as this is a demo server, the settings are not automatically assigned in this demo server. Okay, now in order to see the transport request which we have created earlier, you should click on the display. Okay, now here we can see like I have assigned 3 company codes to a company. Okay, like all these are called as transport requests, and this is my user ID, and this is the client number, and this is the like path for the transaction codes which we have done. Okay, I hope you guys have a clear understanding about this topic. Okay, and that's all for this session, and thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and I would like to request you to give a like if you would like my explanation valuable, and please share these videos to your friends who are interested to learn SAP, and subscribe my videos for more upcoming sessions. Thank you, have a good day.